Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more financial insights. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using both banks. Goldman Sachs versus TD Bank, which one comes out on top? In this video, we'll dissect the offerings of Goldman Sachs and TD Bank to help you pinpoint the best fit for your financial needs. For a deeper dive, check out the links in the description for more detailed information on their products and services. Goldman Sachs, a global investment banking powerhouse, is renowned for its premium wealth management, investment solutions, and financial advisory services. Through platforms like Marcus by Goldman Sachs, they offer high-yield savings accounts, personal loans, and wealth management tools geared towards individuals aiming to build and protect their wealth. Goldman Sachs caters primarily to investors, high-net-worth individuals, and businesses seeking institutional-grade investment strategies and financial expertise. Leveraging their extensive experience in asset management and investment banking, Goldman Sachs is the ideal choice for those requiring a more sophisticated approach to wealth growth and large-scale financial decision-making. In contrast, TD Bank stands as a major force in retail banking, providing a comprehensive suite of personal banking services. These include checking and savings accounts, mortgages, auto loans, and credit cards. TD Bank is recognized for its customer-centric approach, evident in features like extended branch hours and a user-friendly mobile banking app. Their products are designed for individuals and families who value straightforward banking solutions with an emphasis on convenience and accessibility. While TD Bank also offers wealth management through TD Wealth, its core strength resides in its robust community banking services. This makes it a perfect fit for individuals who prioritize personalized customer service, everyday banking needs, and financial tools that facilitate budgeting and saving. So, which bank emerges as the superior choice? If you're an individual or business seeking investment banking services, sophisticated wealth management solutions, or institutional-level financial advice, Goldman Sachs is the clear winner. However, if you prioritize a reliable, customer-focused bank with comprehensive personal banking services and value convenience, TD Bank is the better option. Each bank caters to distinct needs, so carefully consider your financial goals and priorities before making your decision. Be sure to explore the links in the description for more in-depth information on their services.